Hi Anandi, hi Hairi. Welcome to Red FM.
Hi. How are
Hi.
you doing?
Very well. So tell us, how did this start? How did this musical journey start for both of you? Tell us that.
For both of us, it has started from our home. So, we are from Kolkata
And we are sisters.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, our parents and grandparents, they are all into classical music, Hindustani classical. So, we have been listening to music since childhood, like seeing
Yeah.
them practice. And that was completely Hindustani classical. And then Ahiri
Yeah.
picked up guitar.
So I started with the western side. So I started with guitars and jazz and blues, and from there we started to compose and write our own music.
And then doing
And,
some fusions, using Hindustani classical and Western, and making some compositions. So that way we just started writing our own songs, composing.
Awesome. So did you guys always think of doing music together?
Not really. We were actually doing music separately for a long
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
I was completely into Hindustani classical vocals.
And I was
And-
into guitars and like composing also separately.
Yeah. And then slowly we started jamming. We just gave it a shot. We were like, okay, chalo jam karte hain, thoda
Yeah.
kuch unique banate hain. Dono side of music which from the west and also from the east. So usko blend करके कुछ करते हैं. And that way we just thought कि I think there are some things that is working out. Let's make a duo out of it.
Yeah.
Superb. We have to talk about Nadania, which is completely trending. Tell us about how your experience was with that.
That was really nice working
Yeah.
with Sachin Jigar sir. They are super supportive.
Yeah, they
We
are
had so
really
much
like
fun.
they are like our brothers, and we love working with them and the whole team. So we just got a DM from Sachin sir, and like he just wanted us to record a scratch for it. So we went and then did that, and
We didn't know that it was like gonna be final,
Yeah.
and we just saw the trailer come and be like, okay, chalo, it's final. And but the whole experience of recording with them was so like
Superb, yeah.
we got to learn so much.
What was the reaction from your fans and your family?
So as when we started off, we did not start off with working in Hindi music or like Bollywood music. We started off with Bengali projects from here in Kolkata, and also in Kannada, like some Kannada projects and also projects from the south. So that was a very different reaction from people, that we are also like getting a few opportunities from Bollywood, and fingers crossed, like hope things be well.
yeah.
So let's talk about your other track, Archel. That's also a very nice track. Can you tell us a little more about that?
Yeah.
So, independent music has always been an important part of us, because we think that apart from doing all kinds of music, making your own music is an identity. So, for that, Archel was a very beautiful track that we just came up. It was like a very free flow thing we came up with the track. We were just sitting with a cup of coffee,
Like
and we were like,
we
just jamming.
started it last monsoon. So we came up with this track. We were just writing. She was penning down some stuff, and we were like, "ठीक है, ये करते हैं, वो करते हैं." उसके बाद we just saw a cute old couple just walking by the street, and it was raining under one umbrella. And that's the thing, we felt like, how was
Inspired
love
us.
back then?
How did they see love
yeah.
in their early days? So that's what inspired us to write the song.
Yeah.
So how does this creative inspiration come from? Like, do you guys eat a particular dish? Is there a different food that you guys eat? How are you so creative?
Fish.
Yeah.
So fish is an inspiration, of course, and Bengali mishti, that is an inspiration. But apart from this, we observe from life experiences a lot that inspires us to write songs.
Like generally for composers, there are things that which happens in their life, they tend to write upon that. But we try to observe people and get into their life and try to understand, okay, if I was there in his place or her place, what would have been?
So we observe a lot
yeah.
from others' perspectives, and that inspires us so much.
So tell me, as sisters, what do you guys fight the most about? What do you guys fight the most about?
With the DAW, so the place we record at, the software we record at. So in the studio, if I'm getting some new ideas, I'll be like, मेरे को करने दो पहले, and she will be like, no, let me do this first, and
So
then
we'll be
that's
hurrying
the
up, and that's how we get into a fight. We're like, okay, we just have to take a break. So either she's in the studio for a while, I go out,
Yeah.
and we get back and start doing the creative process. But it's like very like short duration fight.
So when it comes to using softwares, who's the better technical? Who's better at the technical stuff? The Ableton, FL Studio.
I handle the back end at times, but I get very annoyed at times. See, I don't want to do the back end. Just get me in the creative process.
Yeah.
So since you spoke about Nadania, I wanted to ask you as to what has been your best collaboration so far till date?
Collaboration. I think working with Sachin Jigar, that's the recent one we have done, like which is a very special thing for us.
And also there are some collaborations that we have done with some other artists, indie artists and indie musicians. We loved working with them, like Saurav Da, he plays mandolin and a lot of stuff from Bengal. And then Muhit, we did one. And there are a lot of stuff we are doing currently with a lot of people, like a lot of musicians. So we just love making music with people in any form, be it at jingle or doing some scoring works or doing background vocals or playing playback.
Yeah.
So tell us, like, which artist are you looking to collaborate with next? Which are the few artists you want to collaborate with next?
There will be a big list, and from all parts of India, I think.
Yeah.
Some people from Bangalore, some people from
Raghu sir, oh my god.
Sir from Bangalore, of course, Raghu Dixit. We are a big fan of him.
Yeah.
And I mean,
Noor Chahal, she's a
Punjabi
singer-songwriter. And like
there are lots, I think. But something which we would want to share, that is we are planning to put out a multilingual EP, which we want our fans, because our fans are from all parts of India, some from Bangalore, some from Kolkata, some from Kerala, and then Mumbai. So we would really want to put out a multilingual EP, which has songs from different languages, and people can connect from different parts of India.
Yeah.
So that's what we are looking forward to put out.
Since you said that, I wanted to ask you, what if you could shoot your next music video? Where would you want to shoot that music video? Which part of India would you like to shoot that music video?
Of course,
Kerala.
We love Kerala. We are a very big nature lover. So Kerala is a very special place.
So both of you are, you guys have such an amazing voice. What if you could host a show on 93.5 Red FM? What would your show be called?
Sync Sisters? Like the Sync Sisters, because we are very synced at times. we talk in sync, we sing in sync,
and that's where the harmony is caused. So everything is in sync.
So
we could call it in sync or something like that.
So Andy, what is one thing that we don't know about Aheri that you can tell us?
I don't think something like that.
Oh, I used to, when I was small, I used to, I had the
stuttering. She had a stuttering problem when she was young, and she used to be like, maybe I can't be a singer. So that's how she thought maybe guitar is a better option for me.
That's why I started with guitar.
Yeah.
I had a lot of complex back then. So I was like, okay, lisp hai, stutter karti hu, to kyun kare? So, and then I just...
So, but then she just tried her best and came out of it, and now she's singing. So that's one thing that people don't know.
Wow. And Aheri, what is that one thing that we don't know about Anandi?
Yeah, I would love to share this. She has, she used to have a lot of stage fright and speaking issues, social anxiety hota tha. And see her, look at her now, my god.
I was a big time socially anxious person. I used to get anxious by even looking at the stage, even if I'm not performing. And now it's a totally different case. I die to perform.
But speaking of which, so if you had to choose concerts or working at the studio, what do you guys prefer?
Oh my god. So it depends on the mood actually. So right now we are in the session zone, studio karne ka hai, isliye. And sometimes it's we need to perform more. We should perform live and thoda originals karte live.
50-50 actually. We just love both of it, because our dad is a singer in Kolkata. He has been a playback singer. He has worked in Mumbai too, in Bollywood project. His name is Raghav Chatterjee. So we have always seen him perform live and then simultaneously go to studios and record. So both the things have been a very important and inspiring thing for us.
Yeah.
So we love both of it.
Superb. And what is the best thing that you like about performing live on stage?
The mass.
Oh, the people, yes.
The people.
Their reaction, the live reaction, which we can never connect it with the comments or how much ever it is. I mean, the live reactions,
the smile, the joy, that gives us
absolutely the expressions. That's the best thing.
So what is the craziest experience you've had at a concert of yours, or any crazy fan message you've got on your Instagram page?
Yeah, generally people do this often. People think that we are from any part of South. Mostly I am from Kerala and
Yeah,
she's
people
from
tend to
Tamil Nadu.
think, yeah.
People tend to think that, but yeah, we are not. We are
So
Bengali.
that's a crazy thing because most of the Bengali people we have seen, they
Yeah.
are DMs. They are just sending us DMs and like writing in English for hours, and we are like, okay, we know Bengali, and they're like, oh, we knew you're from South. So that's the crazy thing that people tend to think we are not Bengalis.
Wow. Okay, so Bengal is known for sweets, right? What if you had to describe your favorite singer as a sweet dish? Which singer would you pick, and which sweet item would you associate that
Okay.
singer with?
Shreya Ghoshal, she is complete Rashogolla. I
Oh
think
my
the
God.
sweetness. Oh my God, in her voice.
Yeah, and Arijit Singh is like Rashomalai. So it is kind of like Rashogolla, but like with a lot
The
of
finesse,
malai
the
and the
finesse,
finesse
yes.
and the acting. Yeah, that thing. Yeah.
Wow. Our regional music manager have been, Pinak Ranjan, he was talking to us about how awesome your music is. Could you sing
No.
anything for us? Any track that you'd like
Yeah.
to sing for us?
It does, yeah. We'll sing Nadaniya for you.
Sure.
कुछ तो गुस्ताखियाँ, कुछ तो मनमानियाँ, कहीं दिल से हो जाने दे नादानियाँ। दिल की जज्बात है, इतनी सी बात है, होती है हो जाने दे नादानियाँ।
Yay, superb. Absolutely enjoyed it. So, tell us a little bit about what you girls are working on in terms of music. What can your fans and your listeners expect from you, both of you?
Right now we are doing a few collaborations on some independent projects. Like
Yeah.
we can't disclose that right now.
Secret.
But of course the EP, the multilingual EP,
Yeah.
which we are crazily working on right now, and we want people to like get us like more
Ideas
feedback from
regarding
that,
which
or maybe
language do they want us to cover up in that EP. So we got a lot of comments regarding Malayalam and also Tamil. So let's see.
we are
where
just
we go.
looking forward to that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to ask you that we are also in an age where a lot of songs are being recreated. Old music is being brought back. What is one song that you would like to maybe bring back and maybe remix? Have you ever thought of maybe remixing a track?
It's a very favorite ghazal. We listen to a lot of ghazals. It's a very favorite ghazal of ours. It's written by Momin Sahab.
Yeah.
And
It's Wo Jo Hum Mein Tum Mein.
Yeah.
And sung by Ghulam Ali ji. So
it has been composed by many people, but
Yeah.
Ghulam Ali ji's composition is
specifically
like a
that
favorite one.
composition. Yeah.
So we have just worked on a track which we have made in a very different zone, but putting that ghazal in it. Would like to put it out very soon. So that's one thing we were like looking forward from a long time to remake. Yeah.
Would you like to sing us a few lines of that?
Yeah,
of
sure.
course.
Sure.
Of course. वो जो हम में तुमने करार था, तुम्हें याद के ना याद, वही आसानी के बाद तुम्हें याद के ना याद हो। That's one.
Wow, superb! Absolutely, you guys are blessed. I mean, you girls are born to sing, and born for music. What is the
Thank
first
you.
thing that both of you think of when you think of 93.5 Red FM?
It's like a fun musical session that I would love to. I actually love Red FM because
Yeah.
of its playlist. I love to listen to it all the
We
time.
listen to Red FM a lot because
Yeah.
while we are driving and going somewhere.
Yeah.
So the playlists are superb and awesome.
Crazy, crazy cool.
Superb. So we will inform our regional music manager Pinak Ranjan. He handles most of our music. But any which ways, Anandi and Aheri, it was so nice to speak to you, and we hope to connect with you again when you have your next song out. And before you go, since your sisters, a lot of people are also inspiring to get into music. Maybe like you girls, both of you, what would you like to tell them? Inspiring musicians.
Consistency is the only key.
And
Keep
also
grinding.
just keep grinding, just focus on your grammar. Like
Learning.
keep practicing, keep learning, and get inspired from people, be it whoever,
Yeah,
like a
every
musician,
person.
to a programmer, to a composer, to a lyricist. Just stay with music as a whole.
Superb. And when are both of you girls going to be performing in Bangalore?
Okay, so we have performed very soon. It was with the Soul Jams, Ajay Varghese. So we love performing
Yeah,
at
we were
Bangalore.
there.
Yeah.
So
So
that was super fun, but
Yeah.
we are looking forward to a bigger set. I mean, that was a smaller set, but we are looking forward to a bigger set.
definitely, yeah.
And it's all the people, if you all are like loving our music, if you want us to perform there, we are always open.
Yeah.
So when you're next here in Bangalore, we hope to give away your passes on the radio then, your concert tickets.
Oh.
That'll be super fun.
Yeah. Superb. It was a pleasure having you with us here on Red FM Bangalore. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Julius.
Thank you,
Thank
Julius.
you.
You're super.
Thank you. Bye.
बजाते रहो 93.5 रेड एफएम बजाते रहो